This is the third time I try to start this video, but I made it to the airport. This is the first time I'm flying by myself to Ecuador, which is kind of crazy. Jake just dropped me off, and I guess they're doing a free trial of Clear, which I didn't know was a thing. And they tried to make me sign up, but then they were like, oh, we have to ask for your credit card on file, and I was like, definitely not. So I'm waiting in this huge line, but honestly I've done it before, so at this point it's nothing new. But I'm on my way to Ecuador. I'm gonna go for the weekend, so nothing crazy. And I brought the Insta360 Go3S camera instead of my GoPro, so we're gonna see how this one ends up working. But I like it so far, and we'll see how the flight goes. Bye. We have now, I keep saying we, but this is a solo flight, so feels weird. But I passed TSA. It actually didn't take too long to go through it. I guess maybe 25 minutes, but honestly that's not bad because I've waited longer. They didn't look at anything in the bag. It's not like I have anything regardless, so it was pretty easy. I forgot to take off my watch, so that wasn't fun. But right now I'm going to check my flight, make sure it actually shows up here, and it looks like I might be taking the I see it, okay, A2. I think it's this way. I honestly have come to this airport or this gate 3 to 4 times, and the funniest part about traveling, I find, is that people rush, and then also some people just feel like so entitled that it's kind of crazy that they're like, I'm gonna go first. And I'm like, it's not that big of a deal. But I'm vlogging by myself, which is strange, and I think since I have a good amount of time before I even start boarding, I'm gonna just walk to the gate and then walk back. I was gonna go into the Lego store, but it's closed. It's 9:30, so honestly I'm not surprised that it's closed. But I'm gonna go make sure that the gate is legit, and we'll see what I end up doing for the next couple hours. But the Starbucks is now open. That was closed last time I came. When we were going over to Mexico, that still wasn't open, so maybe I get some Starbucks. But I have my liners in, so maybe I'm not gonna get anything. I don't know. We'll see. We'll figure something out. So just a quick little check-in. Again, I'm looking at the little screen that tells me where my gate is, because I walked to my gate and then all of a sudden the gate says that it's going to Dubai, and I was like, wait a second, I'm pretty sure I saw the right thing. I guess that flight leaves in the next 30 minutes, and my flight's obviously like a couple hours from now, so I did find the right place, just it's not going to that spot right now. So I'm walking back, and I'm just gonna sit and probably edit videos. I brought my my laptop, so that's probably what I'm gonna end up doing for the next couple of hours and be productive. I got my Melody clips on. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it's pretty loud in my ears. I got water, and Jake got home safely. He just FaceTimed me to like finish up some of the cleaning around the house, and I just wanted to show that's where the plane will be coming out of. The camera showed something, but flight seems like it's on time. The other flight already left because it was 10 o'clock, and now I'm just watching YouTube videos because I figured I could edit, but I can edit on the plane if I want to, but the timing of it all was like iffy. So we'll see what happens, but now we kind of just wait. We've got awfully a long way to go. For some reason my camera's backwards, but the line's kind of long. I have my water, and this is where I have my camera right now, but I have my passport in my pocket. I don't think they're gonna ask for it again, and they didn't make an issue with my backpack, but they did make an issue with some people's backpacks, so we'll see how it goes. But flight looks like it's going off on time. It's 11:41, and flight's supposed to be out at 12 or something, so seems like we're doing good. Made it on the plane. I got my seatbelt on. it, so I'm kind of scared due to the fact that everything's going on here with the flights that have been happening in January. If you know, you know, I guess in the United States. But I'm real close to the wing, and it's kind of scary, but I'm hoping, you know, everything goes well. We prayed before getting here, and a lot of leg room, which is nice. But I had to put a lot of stuff in my pockets because I'm so used to having my backpack on me at all times, but it's over there now because you can't have anything in here. I'm hoping that we have a smooth and safe flight. There's no entertainment, there's literally nothing, and the flight is supposed to take off at like midnight-ish. So ideally, I go to sleep and I'll wake up in Ecuador. But we'll see how the flight goes. As of right now, it's looking like it's on time. So, off to Ecuador. So excited to see my family and my mom. I miss her, and obviously my sister and my boy, and like the rest of my family. My grandpa, I get to see him again too. But hoping for a safe flight, and next clip should be us. Maybe like a little montage because I'm like next to the window. But if not, we have a safe flight. I made it out of the airplane. I'm at the airport now. Sun has risen, but I have to wait on immigration. The line got a little longer because I went to a potty beforehand, and now people are staring at me, so I'm gonna put my camera away because I don't have an emotional support person next to me, and I don't know if you can actually record in these lines, so thanks. I just made it out of security, and they have like such cute little flower things here. I'm gonna show the dress. My family's still yet to get here, so I'm just taking my sweet time to actually get out of the airport. But it was smooth. Can't really complain about going through security, or not security, but like TSA. I have to do one more security checkpoint, and then I should be able to get out of here. Woo! Made it outside of the airport. As you can see, that's the Quito sign that they have here. My family is on their way. I'm tracking my mother, and she is like maybe a block or two, so she should be here any second now. I told her I was gonna wait outside instead of them having to try to like find parking and then come over here. But flight was good. Everything went well. Nothing to worry about. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little afraid about flying today just because of everything that's been going on, but we made it. No issues, pretty smooth. I'm a little chilly, so I was told it was gonna be warm. I'm glad I didn't bring as many shorts as I was planning to, but time to go see the family. Made it to the house. This is the view right now. We just got back from grabbing fruits and vegetables, basically. I don't remember if I took some pictures, but if I did, I'll put some here. And we're heading towards to get like some other stuff, and then I'm gonna get a haircut. So I'm taking this as my little baggie, and we'll see how it goes. We just got back from getting myself a haircut, and let's just say it's shorter than I expected. Not just because there was a little bit of a misunderstanding when it came to how short I actually wanted the front of my hair. I was trying to explain to the lady that like I wanted face framing, but then it was like slightly it got a little too short. I'll show it a little bit better, but I don't mind it. I think it looks fine, but there's like really tiny pieces, so I don't know, we'll have to like play around with it and see how it is. But good thing is that when I go like this, even if it comes down a little bit, it's fine. I'm bringing in the groceries. We have more downstairs, but we're staying up here in the house, so I'm bringing it up into the, I guess, apartment, whatever we might call this. Most of our family's downstairs right now, but I wanted to make sure to put the stuff that needs to be in the fridge, and the little snackies where the snackies need to go. But this is my little update, and those stairs get me tired, to be honest. But I have these ice creams. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna just like open it up. Okay, so these are from Riobamba. These right here. I have 2 ice creams. They're so good, and I haven't had them in like over not 10 years, probably like 5 or 6. So, no, actually more than 10 years, because the last time I went to Riobamba was probably for my quinceañera. And then after that, I don't really think I came to Ecuador up until like a couple years ago. So, yes, it's been over 10 years since I've had those ice creams. And from what I remember, they're like one of the best. But I'm finishing putting everything away. And time to hang out with family. Bye. We just did some carnaval, so everything that I got my hair cut and styled, I had to end up showering, which is fine. But now I'm heading downstairs because I think we're gonna eat and stuff. But I changed my outfit, and yeah, that's kind of basically what we're doing today. I think some people are coming over later for dinner, but just family stuff. Finished up some work things, and yeah, gonna go spend some time with family. Bye. We ended up going to El Panecillo with my cousin and his wife. Basically what El Panecillo is, translated, it's bread roll, because I guess the hill it's on looks like a small bread, but it's on a 200-meter high hill, so you get a really nice view of Quito. I want to say it's the south or the center, in between that area. So it's just a really cool view, and it showcases the Virgen of Quito, or the Virgen of the Apocalypse. I don't know, it just pretty cool view, and we saw the drone, so we figured might as well, have a cool little video of it. But until next time, bye.